Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an account that can change system settings. You do not need elevated tools. Once done, close active apps and save work. This prevents interruptions. Now open Start, type Settings, and choose Personalization, then Lock Screen. You are already in the right pane where Screensaver and Lock options live. Make sure to look for Screensaver settings link at the bottom if it is not visible. Continue to the next slide for alternate access methods. You will now disable the screensaver. Once the classic screensaver settings dialog is open, set the screensaver drop-down to none. This stops any active saver from launching. Make sure to also uncheck on Resume, display logon screen unless you want reauthentication. Click Apply and then OK to commit the change. If Windows redirected you elsewhere, open Control Panel, search for screensaver, and access the same dialog. After applying, test by waiting the previous timeout length to confirm. You finish by confirming related settings so the screensaver stays off. Check power and sleep timeout values and lock screen timeout to make sure they do not trigger a blank screen that looks like a saver. Once done, if the screensaver resets after reboot, make sure group policy or a corporate profile is not enforcing it. You can check gpedit or the registry if you have permission. If problems continue, reboot, reapply the None option, and contact your administrator for information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.